Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a what's in my bag video, and I have not done one of these in I don't even know how long, like years, and I love these videos. I always love watching them. I love seeing what fits in their bag. I love seeing what's in their bag, and today I thought I would do a what's in my bag with my new fall bag, which I am so excited about. If you cannot guess where it's from in the back, and it is beautiful, it is perfect. I'm like literally obsessed with it, and I can't wait to share. And I did a little sneak peek unboxing on my Instagram, but this is the bag right here. I love it. It's so pretty. It is by a company called Teddy Blake, and they make the most beautiful bags I've ever seen. They're so gorgeous, and when I got it and touched it in my hands, I was like, this is so amazing. So it is a company, like I said, called Teddy Blake, and they make luxury feeling bags. Let me tell you, this is the leather is amazing, and their price point is not bad at all. It is not crazy expensive. This is not a $2,000 bag I'm holding in my hand. It is a reasonably priced bag that is amazing. The quality is amazing, the craftsmanship is amazing, and I love this style. So this is the Eliza, and it's in the 9-inch. I think the Eliza also comes in a 12-inch. It comes in a ton of different color options and also a ton of different interior options, which I'll get to. This one is kind of like that bucket style bag, which I love. I absolutely love as a mom. You can cinch it shut, you can open it wide real quick, you can throw it over your shoulder, you can go crossbody with it, and I'll kind of show you guys around the bag as we go through. But it has a nice drawstring right here, has the nice little Teddy Blake logo right here. The leather is made in Italy. The bags, I believe, are made in Italy, and it's Italian leather. It's just so luxurious feeling, and all the little details on here are just really beautiful. The strap is really nice because it's very adjustable. So it has this nice little shoulder pad up here, and then it has a bunch of different notches to kind of adjust to your size, which I love because I can personally take this notch a couple up and I can go crossbody. I can go over just on my shoulder like that and throw it on. I just love it. I think it's so nice. It also comes with, if I open it up here, a little pouch that you can connect or disconnect off the side. So it actually kind of just I don't even know how do I say this? It knots right there, but then also on the actual little pouch here, you can just take it off and go inside and just use this if you want to run in a store or whatever you want to do. So that's really convenient. It also has a little wristlet there, and then my interior, like I said, you can get this, obviously this is the black, comes in like I said, a ton of different colors, and also interior. So this is the black, I think black comes in a bunch of different interior colors, but mine is called Goldenrod, and it's a yellow color, which I love. It's so beautiful for fall. It's almost it's definitely a more gold than a yellow. It's coming off way yellow on the camera here, but it's more of that mustardy yellow color, which I love for fall. And then this is the interior with all my junk in there. We'll go through it, but I just love this bag. I'm going to be carrying it all fall and honestly winter long. I just think it's so beautiful. And it feels so good. It smells like leather too. Oh, it smells so good. So I am gonna share with you guys what's in my bag now, and it's not much, but it does hold, let me tell you, this can hold a mother's life. It can hold so many things. So I actually I have my little Michael Kors wallet, which is a decent size wallet. It fits easily in there. I don't have to put it this way or anything. I can just easily fits in there great. And then I also have Purell wipes because sticky hands and all those things. And I also have Mom Life, a bunch of fruit snacks for the children. That keeps them entertained. Bunch of fruit snacks. I also have gum. I like Orbit and I love peppermint gum. Peppermint gum is always in my mouth. I have a little Louis key clay there to kind of just like, sometimes I just pull that out and use it. Sometimes I connect it to my keys, which I don't have my keys in here. I don't even know where my keys are. And then I have a couple of lip products. I have my Fresh Sugar Lip Advanced Therapy in Dream, which is like a pinky color, and it's just nice to have a little lip balm in there. And then also my NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. I feel like these two things are like always in my purse, or my Kapari Lip Glossy, which I don't have in there. I don't know where that is, but, oh, and garbage. Garbage. There you go. There's always garbage in there. But that is what is in my bag. That's what it holds. Oh, you guys, this bag is so beautiful. I cannot say enough good things about Teddy Blake. Definitely check them out. I will have them listed and linked and everything down below. You can check out all their bags. All their designs are like really beautiful. I'm not joking. I'm not playing around here. They're really, really beautiful. I loved the Eliza because I just love a good bucket style bag. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like it if you liked it, subscribe if you're not. If you want to see more what's in my bag videos, I can definitely do that as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.